It's behaving very well today, because normally this tape does not behave. Me and this tape don't really like each other, but today, surprisingly, it's behaving. I think it's the weather. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Guys, what a poo-poo weather. So last week we had a gorgeous week full of sunshine. It was warm, it was 17 degrees. Today it's snowing. It's literally snowing. It's so cold, it's like 5 degrees. The sky is white and grey, full of clouds. Oh god, it's literally snowing and it's freezing. 15 years in this country and I still not get used to the weather, but never mind. Let's bring some sunshine in the craft room. So today I wanted to make some little cute floating diamond shaped pockets for your junk journals. I'm going to show you how to make these, and then I'll show you what to put inside, because a few weeks ago I did a video with my inches and twinches that I know you guys loved it, so thank you so much for wonderful feedback on that video. In case you missed it, I will put the link down below. But yeah, so that's the little diamond shape tags. So what it is just simply, the starting point is a 6x6 paper, so there is no cut. I've got here all my 6x6. It's loads. I just picked this from Stampin' Up, I think it is, because I love the stamp, I love the print. So so 6x6, and then we get this little diamond shape. So you have a pocket here, so 1, a pocket here 2, a bigger pocket here 3, turn around, another pocket here 4, and another side pocket here 5. So you get 5 pockets into this little cute boy. Right, I'm gonna show you how to make it. So again, 6x6. Now you've got to fold it in half. So the side that is going to show is the side that you pick. So I want to, because I quite like this together. I'm obsessed with stripe and floral together as such a nice color combination. I think geometric and floral is such a brilliant clashing color print combination, like dots and florals. I think it's brilliant. So anyway, so you fold in half, just like that. And I'm just using a bone folder, which it desperately needs cleaning because there is glue residue everywhere. So you fold in half, so you get a rectangular shape. And then what we need to do, guys, we need to create the paper boat. So what you simply do, get this right hand side corner into here. So you create your first triangle. So, and I know you guys liked the origami video I shared last Monday, I think it was. So thank you for that as well. I know you asked for some more origami videos. I'll have a look, because it's not really, I do enjoy doing everything really, but I'm not really good at it, because origami is a lot of folds, and with these huge hands it is a bit challenging. But anyway, so we get this triangle here, so you've got the 2 flaps, and then what we do, guys, on the score line, which is this vertical one, we fold it in half itself. So we just fold it in itself, and what you just need to make sure it happens that you match all the corners. Okay, and then I'm just going to give it a really good vanish there. Okay, so these 2 flaps here, so you get one on the top on each side. So that will be the pockets on the bottom. Okay, so keep them towards you, so they pointing you. The 2 flaps, the one that got nothing on, we're gonna fold it on itself, and that will give that really nice diamond sort of shape. 1 and 2, and then again make sure they match. And now we're just going to use some double-sided tape. I find that easier than the glue, especially when you do small pockets, because sometimes if you put too much glue, it can, especially when you don't have a lot of room to create your pockets, it's gonna, if you put too much glue, you just got literally nothing left to create the actual pocket. So I'm gonna put on the first two tips first, because I like them glued down, stuck down, so they don't get in the way of anything. So that's one, and that's two. Okay, so they're stacked down like that, and then we're gonna create the pockets. Okay, so you ended up with something that looks like that. So on the first flip that is facing us, just gonna put a tiny strip of tape there, and then the same on the other side. And this is what I meant. So now I know that this, I think is half of a centimeter. I'm sure it is, and that will give us the space that the two paper will stack together on. Again, if you put some glue, you ended up with having glue there, which you're just gonna lose all that space. I'm sure I'm making sense. So that's that. Lift it up and just glue that down. Okay, so we created the two front pockets. Pockets here. Pocket, where is it? There. And now we need to glue down here, so we create our main pocket. So again, strip, double-sided tape. It's behaving very well today, because normally this tape does not behave. Me and this tape don't really like each other, but today, surprisingly, it's behaving. I think it's the weather. Definitely it's the weather. Put that in the bin. Okay, done guys, simple as. So recap, a pocket on the front here, one there and one there, 3. Turn it around, one there and one there, 5. Okay, so let me show you. So let me zoom in first of all. Right, so that's the pocket. So remember I've done not long ago these little tags with the Tim Holtz dolls, the one that Krista created. So you can put even something big like that, and then you're just gonna come up like that. That's the 2 inches and inches that I made not long ago. So again, they will look really cute. So if you put them like that, or maybe a bigger one, picking out like that, or even like on the top there. So you can do anything. You know, if you've got somebody that likes Jan Journal or Ephemera, they're nice little gift pouches. So you can just put your ephemera in there on each side and gift it to it. Super simple and super short video. Very proud of myself. Less than 10 minutes. Yeah, that's it guys. I hope you like this little diamonds 5 pockets little joys. If you like this video guys, please give me a big thumbs up. That will support the video and the channel. So thank you for press the like button. Right guys, have a wonderful week. I'm hoping the weather will pick up and hopefully we will have a bit of sunshine. It's not forecast like that. It's forecast all poo weather across the week, but never mind, it is what it is. Let's bring some sunshine inside the craft room. Thank you so much guys. Have a wonderful week, and until next time, stay safe and well.